Welcome to Nevada, a state of diverse and captivating natural landscapes. From vast deserts to towering mountain ranges, Nevada's beauty is both rugged and breathtaking. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems of this remarkable state, from scorching deserts to alpine meadows bursting with wildflowers. Nevada, a land largely defined by its arid expanse, is a place of stark beauty and extreme conditions. It is home to two major deserts, each with its own unique characteristics and ecosystems. The Great Basin Desert, the largest in North America, stretches across much of the state. Here, sagebrush reigns supreme, its silvery green leaves a testament to resilience. This hardy plant has adapted to survive in the harshest of conditions, thriving where few others can. The Great Basin is a land of extremes, with temperatures that can soar during the day and plummet at night. Yet life persists, finding ways to endure and flourish. The Mojave Desert, known for its iconic Joshua trees, takes hold further south. These unique trees, with their twisted, spiky branches, are a symbol of the Mojave's rugged beauty. Within the Mojave lies Death Valley National Park, a place of superlatives. It holds the record for the hottest temperature ever recorded on Earth, a scorching 134 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat is relentless, and the landscape reflects this intensity. Salt flats shimmer under the intense sun, creating a surreal, otherworldly scene. These salt flats are remnants of ancient lakes that once covered the region, now left as vast white expanses that stretch to the horizon. Meanwhile, canyons reveal layers of geological history, telling the story of the Earth's past through their stratified walls. Desert bighorn sheep navigate the steep slopes with remarkable agility, their hooves perfectly adapted to the rocky terrain. The elusive kit fox hunts kangaroo rats under the cover of darkness, using its keen senses to survive in this challenging environment. The desert, often perceived as barren, is actually teeming with life. It is a testament to the power of adaptation, where every plant and animal has evolved to thrive in the face of adversity. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, each has found a niche in this vast, arid landscape. As the sun dips below the horizon, the desert reveals its true magic with a kaleidoscope of colors. The sky transforms into a canvas of reds, oranges, and purples, a breathtaking end to the day. In these moments, the desert's harshness fades away, leaving only its serene and timeless beauty. Rising abruptly from the desert floor, Nevada's mountain ranges provide a stark contrast to the arid plains below. The Sierra Nevada boasts the tallest peak in the contiguous United States, Mount Whitney. Its granite peaks soar above alpine meadows carpeted in wildflowers. The Ruby Mountains offer a different kind of beauty, with glacial lakes and forests of aspen and pine. The Toyabe Range is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering challenging hikes and breathtaking vistas. Mountain goats navigate the steep cliffs with ease. These mountain ranges act as natural water towers, collecting snowmelt that feeds rivers and streams. Nevada's mountains are a sanctuary for a diverse array of plant and animal life. In the heart of Nevada's arid landscape lie bodies of water that seem almost miraculous. Lake Tahoe, straddling the border of Nevada and California, is a vision of deep blue. This alpine lake is a haven for boaters, anglers, and those seeking respite from the desert heat. Pyramid Lake, named for its distinctive pyramid-shaped tufa formations, is a remnant of ancient Lake Lahontan. The Colorado River forms the eastern border of Nevada, dammed to create Hoover Dam. Behind the dam lies Lake Mead, a man-made reservoir offering recreational opportunities. These lakes and rivers attract a diverse array of wildlife, from bald eagles to wild horses. In a land defined by dryness, these pockets of water are essential for survival. Nevada is home to a remarkable diversity of protected lands, each offering a unique glimpse into the state's natural heritage. Great Basin National Park showcases the stark beauty of the Great Basin Desert. Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area offers a dramatic contrast to the glitz of Las Vegas. Valley of Fire State Park, with its fiery red sandstone formations, is a photographer's paradise. These parks provide vital habitat for a wide array of plant and animal life. They offer endless opportunities for outdoor recreation, from hiking and camping to rock climbing and stargazing. Whether you seek solitude in the wilderness or adventure in the great outdoors, Nevada's parks offer something for everyone. They are a testament to the importance of conservation and the breathtaking beauty of the natural world. Nevada's harsh yet diverse landscapes are home to a remarkable array of creatures. From the arid deserts to the lush mountain ranges, the state offers a unique habitat for a variety of wildlife. Each species has adapted in extraordinary ways to survive in this challenging environment. The desert bighorn sheep with its massive curled horns navigates the steep rocky terrain with ease. These agile climbers are well suited to the rugged landscape, using their keen eyesight and sure-footedness to evade predators and find food. Pronghorn antelope, the fastest land mammals in North America, roam the open plains. Capable of reaching speeds up to 55 miles per hour, they rely on their incredible speed to escape from predators. Their large eyes provide a wide field of vision, helping them spot danger from afar. Mule deer are a common sight in the state's mountainous regions. These adaptable herbivores graze on a variety of vegetation, from grasses to shrubs, and are known for their distinctive large ears, which help them detect approaching threats. Wild horses, descendants of domesticated animals brought over by Spanish explorers, roam free in many parts of Nevada. These majestic creatures symbolize the spirit of freedom and resilience, thriving in the open landscapes despite the harsh conditions. Desert tortoises, with their slow, deliberate movements, are a reminder of the desert's enduring nature. These ancient reptiles can live up to 80 years, spending much of their lives in burrows to escape the extreme heat and conserve water. Black-tailed jackrabbits, with their oversized ears and powerful hind legs, are masters of survival in the desert. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their strong legs allow them to leap great distances to escape predators. From the smallest insects to the largest mammals, Nevada's wildlife is a testament to the power of adaptation. Each species, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance of life in this arid region. These creatures have evolved to thrive in the face of adversity, showcasing the resilience of life. Their ability to adapt and survive in such a harsh environment is a powerful reminder of nature's incredible resilience and ingenuity. Beyond its mountains, deserts, and lakes, Nevada holds a collection of natural wonders that seem almost otherworldly. The Black Rock Desert transforms into a surreal dreamscape each year during Burning Man. The Bonneville Salt Flats, a blindingly white expanse of salt crust, stretch as far as the eye can see. These unique geological formations are a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped Nevada over millions of years. The Black Rock Desert has become a pilgrimage site for artists and adventurers. The Bonneville Salt Flats evoke a sense of wonder and disbelief. These natural wonders offer a glimpse into the Earth's geological past. Nevada's unique natural features are a testament to the power of nature and the endless capacity of the Earth to surprise and amaze us. Nevada's climate is as diverse as its landscapes, ranging from scorching desert heat to cool mountain temperatures. The state is home to some of the hottest and driest places in the United States, but also to lush, green mountain ranges that receive ample snowfall in the winter. The state experiences a predominantly arid climate with hot, dry summers and mild, relatively wet winters. The desert regions, such as the Mojave Desert, are known for their extreme temperatures and minimal rainfall. In the lower elevations, temperatures can soar well above 100 degrees Fahrenheit during the summer months. These areas can be incredibly harsh, with the sun beating down relentlessly. However, the low humidity means that even the hottest days lack the oppressive feeling of humidity found in other parts of the country. This makes the heat more bearable for those who are accustomed to it. As you ascend into the mountains, the temperature drops dramatically. The higher elevations offer a stark contrast to the desert below, with cooler temperatures and a completely different ecosystem. The higher elevations receive significantly more precipitation than the desert floor, which supports a variety of plant and animal life that you wouldn't find in the arid regions, with snow common during the winter months. This snowpack is crucial for the water supply in the region, feeding rivers and reservoirs as it melts in the spring. This dramatic variation in climate is reflected in the diversity of plant and animal life found throughout the state. From hardy desert shrubs to towering pine trees in the mountains, Nevada's flora is incredibly varied. Nevada's climate is a key factor in shaping its unique landscapes and ecosystems. The interplay between the arid deserts and the lush mountains creates a state that is rich in natural beauty and ecological diversity. Nevada's nature is as diverse as it is dramatic, offering outdoor enthusiasts a variety of experiences. Whether you're seeking tranquil landscapes or thrilling adventures, Nevada's natural beauty provides endless opportunities for exploration. From the depths of Death Valley to the heights of the Sierra Nevada, from the otherworldly beauty of the Black Rock Desert to the shimmering waters of Lake Tahoe, Nevada's natural wonders are sure to leave a lasting impression. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Silver State's natural wonders. We encourage you to experience the beauty and wonder of Nevada's natural heritage for yourself.